Hi everyone, myself Ahmed Merchant and I'm back with another video where I'm going to custom Nike Air Force 1s. Yes, you heard it right, Nike Air Force 1s. Most of the artists in India and outside India prefer Nike Air Force 1s. I don't know why, but customization on this shoe, it looks awesome. Maybe because of the shape, the Nike logo, the panels, everything. You can customize every inch, every bit of this pair and it's gonna look awesome, trust me. And it's not like I've only customized Nike brand. I've worked on other brands also. You can say Puma, 1's and Zara. You can check all of my collections on my Instagram. You have to follow for that, Please follow my Instagram. You will see more than 100 shoes where I have put lots of efforts after customization. I am very excited, I know you all are too. Let's begin customization. Look at it guys, just look at it. You know, एक अलग सी खुशी मिलती है जब आपका काम, आपकी मेहनत ऐसी दिखती है. Just look at the artwork. See. Wow! जरा भी कलर यहाँ का वहाँ नहीं. Borders are straight. You know. See the circles. See all the circles. I've tried my level best to keep all of them standard shape. Everything. Nothing like एक जगह पे you know अलग है, दूसरी जगह पे अलग है. See this threading color. This particular line कुछ भी spread नहीं है. Clients are happy, I'm happy. And if you want to order any of my pairs, you can visit my website, that's merchantcustoms.in, and you can order from my website. See you in my next video with another pair of custom shoes. Till then, take care, stay safe.